Welcome everyone to the intraday for the US stock indices and some special requests for the stocks from our members. So for Nasdaq, as we mentioned, a signal of strength given we push toward the upside here. Wave 3 is on the way, but be careful. This wave 4 internally here is very deep. So be careful. That's the volatility of the news. That's why I don't trust it normally. But basically, it should continue 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But yeah, why it is impulsive here? Yeah, it's a question mark. It's a total impulse there. So be careful with it so much, guys. It might turn into something again, WXNY. In case you take invalidation here, yeah. So which is the top of the 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish this wave 3. So that would not be a nice signal. There. So I'm gonna put this just to market for you guys in case we take the 29k 535. You start questioning the things. Are we really still bullish or not? Because this is not supposed to be taken, because this was not supposed to be very deep. So yeah, by all means, it can be something as 1 2 1 2 or double 1 2 here, and then 3 4 5 4 5 can be. It doesn't mean that we are bearish, because it can turn into double 1 2 and then 3 4 5 4 5, or it can turn into an A B and a C here, and a large wave 1 A B C wave 2, and then pushing for higher again. That would be, of course, a lot of fears there. We'll see, guys. For SPX, it is the same case. Yeah, it's the same case. 1 2 3 wave 4 should not, of course, interfere with this zone 1 there, which is exactly the, let's see, 7,719. If this happens, that means, of course, this might still be a correction, and then you push even for a new low in the red zone area back again for wave 4 deeper, and then pushing for higher again toward the upside. For Dow Jones, a wave 4, of course, in the blue count here is still expected. Of course, after this impulse, I'm expecting something as ABC, so be careful. We might look here for something deeper and then continuation toward the upside later on. So nothing yet, of course, to worry about with Dow Jones. Still, of course, expect this 52k 638 is your invalidation, meaning you have a large gap to range here before you push for higher. Great. So that was it for the intraday for this US indices. We're gonna see together some stocks for also our member and for you guys for YouTube as well. So Mara from Aish. Okay, let's see this one. There are a lot of stocks today, so I'm gonna try to be a little bit faster. We did this before, it looks like. Okay, not recommended. I'm very sorry. No data yet. Okay, it might be a wave 1, 2, or A, B, and a C, but no data. What if it is an A, B, and a C at the end? All right, so corrective chart on the all-time history, not recommended. Sorry, Aish. Aish, you asked 1 arms before. Okay, I'm sorry, buddy. We have a lot of requests, and it is only 1 request per member. Thank you for your understanding, man. Alexandru, can you check WHR? WHR. Whirlpool. All right, corporation. All right, for Whirlpool, it looks like we saw this before. So yes, we have an impulse toward the upside. Nice chart, of course. And we have a direction for the market. At least trend is upward. And we're looking at a finish 1, 2, 3. Expanding flat for wave 4 and wave 5 in an expanding diagonal. A signal given, of course, as corrective wave after it as an ABC here is unfolding. I would say to reach, of course, here the wave 2. But, you know, I need to replace this again. Of course, if we're looking for wave 2 there you go, guys. This is our target exactly 0.38. So I'm still looking at an ABC. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5. All right, to finish a wave C there, at least to hit the minimum target 0.38 at $27. From there, I'm looking, of course, for a signal of strength and then pushing toward the upside again. But of course, first you need to hit the $27. Yep. So that was it for WHR. Aish, I got out of Sndk today. Earnings are tricky. Oh yeah, that was a very bad day. Me too. I got out, but with profit because we always lock our profits, right? So we need that. Very welcome, Zishan. Of Indices. All right, Aish again. Guys, try please to keep also the stock request clean from chats. Thank you very much for your compliments and for the comments. You are very lovely. I love you all, guys. But please, let's keep things much more organized. So we keep only requests, stock requests only for the request. If you have anything to tell me as a comment, as a feedback, they are very welcome, but they are related inside our community chat, right? Metal, stock, crypto, it depends what you mean with it. So just to keep things much more organized. Thank you very much. So Nvidia, Aiden. All right, let's see Nvidia. All right. For Nvidia, we're looking anyway for this daily there. Nvidia is still in double 1-2. Yes, I'm still looking for a wave 3, and it is unfolding. Okay, it's a signal of strength already given there. On the daily, you can see it clearly that you might have bottomed here for the wave 2, and this is an impulse starting toward the upside here. All right. So target is still the same, 347. No doubt with it. Of course, this is the highest probability. Nvidia is still, of course, bullish. Shafi, hello, buddy. Could I request ADI, analog devices? All right. ADI. Okay, this is one. All right. A very nice chart. Looks good. Even better. All right. That's good. Okay, it's a direction. Clear direction for the market is upward. We have 1 2 1 2 wave 3 4 5 4 5 to unfold toward the upside. Very clear chart. Let me check something, guys. Oh yeah, taking 0.58. Perfect. Yes, I can call it double 1 2. So 1 2 3 4 and a 5, and another 1 2, and then 3 4 and a 5. Those are the main. Your main wave 3 is the big challenge here. So we have 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2, 1 2 3 4 5, 3 4, and a 1 2. Another 1 2 3 4 5, 4 and a 5. Yes. All right. So this wave 5 is not finished. And then, okay. I see what it's doing here. A wave 3 unfinished, 4 and a 5. And we're going to put this in smaller one, the yellow. And then you have another 1 2. And then 1 2. And also, yeah, another 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Okay. So that's huge. So 1 2, and then this is your wave 3 4 and a 5. There you go. Okay, so unfinished as well, meaning another count coming in 1 2 and 1 2 3 4 and a 5 for your wave 3 here, and then having wave 4 and a wave 5 still unfolding. There you go. Now we got it. And that means, of course, this is your main impulse. Yeah, it's your main impulse, which is still unfinished because your wave 5 is still 1 2 3 4 and a 5 in gray. There we go. Wave 5 to finish wave 3, and here we are. Okay, very huge one. Okay, so it's a 1 2 1 2, and your wave 3 unfolding as 1 2 3 4 and a 5, then 4 5 4 5, and the large 4 and a 5, of course, are still to come later on, guys. Now let's talk about target in this case, a little bit on the micro. So basically you are looking for a wave 5, and that means this is your wave 1. Based on the wave 3 here, your next target is there, $600. Exactly $600 at least here to reach this green zone. All right, so yeah, this is analog devices, very nice one from Shafi. Kobe Palantir. There you go. Okay, for Palantir, we're gonna go daily. For Palantir, obviously we're still in the wave 4 here after 1, 2, 3. Wave 4, given the signal as we mentioned, obviously that it is a W, X, and a Y. And we mentioned already in the Discord as well that, okay, once you take this high, anyway, this was our confirmation. Another confirmation right now, we take it, that is totally bullish right now, all right? The wave 5 is on its way. That means, of course, we're looking for the $453 here. So no diagonal. Diagonal is invalidated here for the bearish. We go bullish, of course, in a wave 5 here to reach the $453. Meaning 1, 2, 3, wave 4, wave 5. Very interesting. It's a very strong signal. All right, that was it for Palantir, for TLRY. All right. Tlry brands. Okay, not recommended. Very sorry. We don't want to invest in a failure, right? Sorry, Alex. Mark, I know you covered Sndk, but well, yeah, we can take a look at Sndk again. Sndk. There we go. For Sndk. Yeah, so as you mentioned in our Discord, this is a double 1-2 potentially, and it can be the case. But let's see internally if we're gonna get something there. Well, it's a good impulse. I think this is an impulse. Yeah, ABC expanding flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again, taking the high. But why we dive deeper again? Is it gonna turn it into another ABC? That will be horrible. Okay, confirmation that we're done here. For bearish, this is definitely bearish. Confirmation for lower over there. Once you take this low, okay, confirmed that you are looking for something very low. All right, meaning you finished here an AB and a C3 waves. Zigzag, we push very, very low. 1239 is a confirmation that we're gonna take this low over there, and we continue here as an impulse, very likely, because anyway, invalidation of bearish is not taken. So yeah, we gotta be careful with it. All right, so this is Sndk and the key level that you need to make sure that you are bearish. Crcl, CRCL, internet group, okay. CRCL, Crcl internet group, that was the green emerald. Nice to see you, man. Okay, still 1 hour chart. Let's see the all-time history. Oh no. That's very bad. It's a failure. I'm very sorry. Sorry, Emerald. It's not a good one. MK4, Sndk. Well, we already did Sndk. And Alex, yes, we already did this one. Okay, guys. So that was it for the special request as well. I hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.